how to search for places around you on Snapchat. Quick and easy. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on how to find places near you on Snapchat, just like I am doing right now. You can see how to do this. It's actually really easy. So first of all, what you will do is you will open up Snapchat on your mobile phone and it will take you right here. So you have to click on your profile at the top left corner right here. It will take you to your account. You have to scroll all the way down to your Snap map right here. So it will take you to your map. Now you will find the My Bitmoji option at the bottom, you can see, and then we have places. So what you have to do is you will click on places, and then the location you have selected, you can zoom in and zoom out, and it will start showing you the famous places around you. So now what I can do is I can just, scroll and check out different places, different restaurants, clubs, bars, parks near me. You can see as I scroll, it's showing me all of the different places near me. And this way I can use the Snap map to kind of like get locations. And you can see it's showing me gyms and malls, everything. And this is how we can find places near us on Snapchat. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.